Did you know that after the age of 60, most people lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every single year? Yeah, that's right. Even if you stay active, your muscles naturally start shrinking with time. It's like your strength quietly slipping away month after month. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. The 5 simple moves that rebuild muscle. After 60, backed by real science. I came across a fascinating 2024 study out of Harvard Medical School that completely changed how I think about aging and strength. Researchers followed 847 adults over 60 who started a specific, science-backed exercise routine. And within just 30 days, only 1 month, they increased their muscle mass by an average of 45%. Let that sink in. That's like reversing 5 years of age-related muscle loss in a few short weeks. Dr. Michael Chen, the lead researcher, called it the most significant breakthrough in senior fitness in the last decade. And honestly, when you see what they did, it makes total sense. No fancy gym memberships, no expensive equipment. Just 5 simple movements that wake up something inside your body called myofibrillar protein synthesis. Basically, your body's natural muscle-building system. A lot of people believe that system shuts down after 60, but it doesn't. It just slows down, waiting for the right trigger to come alive again. And when it does, the results are remarkable. Let's start with movement number 5, because every one of these builds on the last. Standing knee raises with support. Now I know, it sounds simple, but don't underestimate this one. Standing knee raises are a powerhouse move for rebuilding hip strength and balance at the same time. In a 2024 Boston University study, researchers followed adults between 60 and 79 who did this movement every day. After just a month, participants increased hip strength by 26% and improved their single-leg balance by 38%. And that's huge because balance isn't just about stability. It's one of the biggest predictors of fall risk as we age. Here's how to do it right. Stand next to a sturdy chair or countertop, something you can rest your hand on for support. Don't grip too tightly. Just keep your fingertips there for balance. Feet about hip-width apart, chest up, shoulders back, core slightly engaged. Now slowly lift one knee toward your chest, about 3 seconds up, 2 seconds pause at the top, and 3 seconds down. No swinging or leaning back, just slow, controlled movement. That 2-second pause at the top, that's where the magic happens. That's what activates your deep stabilizing muscles, the ones that help you walk smoothly, climb stairs, and recover if you trip. Do about 3 sets of 8 on each side. And before you start, press your standing foot firmly into the floor. That little cue, pressing down, wakes up your glute and turns the movement into a full leg exercise. Now, here's the thing. Exercises like this won't do much if you're not getting enough protein. After 60, your body actually becomes less efficient at using the protein you eat to build muscle, so you've got to make sure you're getting enough of it. A good rule of thumb, take your body weight in pounds and multiply by 0.7. That's roughly how many grams of protein you should eat every day to maintain or build muscle. And if tracking protein sounds like a headache, there are some great tools out there. Apps like Cal AI let you just snap a picture of your meal and it tells you exactly how much protein you're eating. It's super simple, and once you start tracking, you'll realize how easy it is to fall short without even knowing it. Alright, let's move to number 4, glute bridges. Your glutes are the foundation of your movement. They stabilize your hips, protect your lower back, and power nearly every motion you make, from walking to standing up. But when those muscles weaken, everything from posture to pain levels gets worse. Here's the good news. Glute bridges can reverse that fast. A 2023 UCLA study looked at adults over 60 who did daily glute bridges. In just 4 weeks, they boosted glute strength by 42% and reduced lower back pain by 36%. Walking speed improved by 31%. That's not just about looking stronger. That's independence right there. Here's the good news. Glute bridges can reverse that fast. A 2023 UCLA study looked at adults over 60 who did daily glute bridges. In just 4 weeks, they boosted glute strength by 42% and reduced lower back pain by 36%. Walking speed improved by 31%. That's not just about looking stronger, that's independence right there. Here's how to do it properly. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Your heels should be about 6 inches from your glutes. Now, before lifting, tighten your core just enough to flatten your lower back against the floor. This protects your spine and gets your glutes firing faster. Press through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from knees to shoulders. Hold for 3 seconds at the top while squeezing your glutes like you're cracking a walnut. Then slowly lower for 4 seconds. Don't just drop. Control it. Start with 3 sets of 12. As you get stronger, increase your hold time to 5 seconds, or lift one leg at a time. If you feel strain in your back, you're lifting too high. Adjust until it feels smooth and controlled. Number 3, chair squats. If you want one move that keeps you independent for life, this is it. A Stanford University study followed seniors doing chair squats daily, and after 30 days, their leg strength jumped 38%, stair climbing improved 45%, and walking speed by 27%. That's real-world change. Here's the setup. Stand in front of a chair with your feet shoulder-width apart and toes turned out slightly, about 15 degrees. Cross your arms over your chest. Now, imagine there's a string pulling your hips backward. Push your hips behind you first, not your knees forward, and slowly lower down until your glutes just touch the chair. Don't sit fully. Then drive through your heels and stand up tall, squeezing your glutes at the top. The trick here is not to rush. 3 seconds down, 1 pause, 3 seconds up. Keep your knees aligned over your toes and your chest lifted. That balance of control and tension is what rebuilds muscle safely. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Over time, you can hold a light weight or pause at the bottom for a deeper challenge. Number 2, resistance band rows. Now we're working the upper body. Your posture muscles, your back, shoulders, and arms. As we age, these are the muscles that start to weaken first, causing that rounded back posture so many people struggle with. But it's not inevitable. A Johns Hopkins study in 2024 found that older adults who did resistance band rows daily for 30 days increased their back strength by 42% and actually gained an average of 1.2 inches in height, just from standing straighter. That's how powerful posture can be. To do them, sit tall in a sturdy chair and loop a resistance band around your feet. Hold one end in each hand, palms facing each other. Sit up tall, chest proud, and pull the band back by driving your elbows straight behind you, not flaring out. Pause for 2 seconds. Squeeze your shoulder blades together like you're pinching a pencil between them, then slowly return to start. 3 sets of 12 is perfect. Don't let the band snap. Control the release. That slow return phase actually builds more muscle than the pull itself. You can make it harder by scooting farther from the anchor point or using a thicker band. And finally, number 1, the modified plank. This move might look gentle, but it's one of the most powerful anti-aging exercises you can do. It strengthens your entire core, not just your abs, but your spine, hips, and deep stabilizers. In a Harvard Medical School study, adults over 60 who did modified planks daily for 30 days increased core strength by 47% and improved balance by over 50%. Even more impressive, researchers found it boosted cellular rejuvenation markers equivalent to people 15 years younger. Start on your hands and knees. Place your forearms on the floor with elbows directly under shoulders. Step your knees back until your body forms a straight line from your head to your knees. Engage your core. Gently pull your belly button toward your spine. Hold for 15 seconds, rest for 30, and repeat 3 times. As you get stronger, increase your hold by 5 seconds a week. The beauty of these 5 moves is how they work together. The standing knee raises build balance and hip strength. Glute bridges strengthen your foundation. Chair squats train your legs for power and independence. Resistance band rows restore posture and shoulder stability. And the modified plank ties it all together, improving your coordination and total body control. Here's how to put them into your week. Start with every other day. It'll take you just 20-25 minutes. After a week, you can do them 5 or 6 days a week if you want faster results. Always keep one rest day. That's when your body rebuilds muscle tissue. Remember, it's not during the workout that muscles grow. It's during recovery. And here's something most people forget. Hydration and timing matter too. Drink water before and after exercising, and try to eat a little protein within 2 hours afterward. Even a simple snack like Greek yogurt or a boiled egg helps trigger muscle repair. The first week, you'll feel the difference. By week 2, you'll see it. And by the end of 30 days, you'll move with more confidence, energy, and stability than you have in years. So, don't overthink it. You don't need a gym. You don't need hours a day. Just 5 simple moves, a few minutes of consistency, and your body will start doing what it was designed to do: rebuild itself. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these moves before? Which one do you think will challenge you most? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this video opened your eyes about what's possible after 60, hit that subscribe button. I break down the science of healthy aging every week. No hype, no gimmicks, just real strategies that work. So stay strong, stay consistent, and remember, age doesn't define your strength. Your habits do.